Alright, so after getting everything out of their boxes, one of the first things you'll notice is you get stickers. We like stickers, so that's a plus. You also get all of the tools necessary to do this installation. Nice part about it is you get this little pry bar, which is going to help you get the lining around your dash peeled off in order to properly mount this. For the accessories, I opted with the cell phone holder and then the CB radio holder. You also get the mounting arms and the ball joint mounts included with that. And then you obviously have the main base plate. Now, before you get the base plate installed on the vehicle, you probably want to get all your accessories mounted where you want them, because it'd probably be a little difficult to do that after the fact. So let's get working on that. So after you get the actual base all put together with the accessory mounts where you want them, next step is you have to take off the bezel that's around your radio center console area. So providing the little tool that they give you, you're just going to want to work this around the edges nice and gently, slowly popping the clips that are holding it in place, trying not to break any of them. Alright, so once you get the bezel removed around the radio area, you're going to want to take a 7mm socket so that you can get these two out right here. Alright, so once these two bolts are out of the way, you can take your base plate and you can just sit it right there. And then you're going to use the exact same ones you took out and just put them right back in. Alright, last step that you want to do, optional, but it helps make the base more stable, especially if you're going to add more weight. These self-tapping screws, they just screw into your little cubby hole that you have right here, and then we'll put the bezel back on. Alright, there you have it, folks. Bulletpoint Solutions mounting system for a 22 GMC Canyon AT4 with the phone mount and CB radio holder mount.